I was in college playing football, and one day I decided to pick up my laptop, started editing some videos. Before you know it, it's my career. I need to be able to work as a one-man band very often. I need to be able to move around and running and gunning, and so I need to have tools that, without diminishing quality, help me do my job better. Having good audio for your video is incredibly important. Bad audio will mess up your entire video regardless of how good the actual visuals are. Sennheiser is one of those companies that has actually adapted to the needs and wants of the film industry. When I first discovered AVX, I was incredibly impressed at the form factor of it. I plugged it in and it worked incredibly well right away. The reliability is there, the quality is there, the efficiency is there, and it just works. My name is Ariel Martinez and I'm a filmmaker.